Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show where you get USA information for USA account. So I'll open browser and show the site. This is the site where you get USA information. One piece information is 0.25 cent and its first deposit $100. After that you can top up any amount. See, my first deposit 100 and I am using $32 and you can use Canada and USA information from here. I can order few information from there. See, so if you get information or need information, this is the site where you get. So if you need any kind of account, then you can join my Telegram. Thank you.